Everyone has dreams and expectations for their future, but we can't always wait for the right moment to act. Sometimes we feel as if we are stuck in our day-to-day routine without a bright future, and we start believing that there isn't any way to rise above our surroundings. It even gets hard to remember the good times that have happened in the past. On the other hand, we've still got dreams that we'd like to see come true, and no matter how much we try to reach our goals, it's as if time just decided to stand still. You may be going through something like this. It might be the long wait for a diploma that isn't ready yet, even though you've already finished your studies. It could be a moment of suspense before you finally open the business that you need so much, or the anxiety you feel when you're waiting on test results from your doctor. It could just be waiting for a text from that special someone. One way or another, it's as if your life's on pause until the moment arrives, until that change finally takes place in your life. You can't let your anxiety get the best of you during this time. Have you ever noticed that when we're waiting on something really special, we tend to see little things that remind us of our goals all day long? We attract the energy that we emanate, so keeping our thoughts positive helps bring new perspectives into our lives. The anxiety that we feel while we wait may cause some negativity that could mess up our plans. Because of this, try to do things that relax your mind and your heart so that you feel positive until your awaited life-changing moment finally arrives. It could be any kind of activity: meditation, jogging, hanging out with friends, watching movies or shows, or even getting a checkup at the doctor's office. Basically anything that keeps your mind healthy. Imagine that you're getting ready for a tryout, a walk, or even a game. That moment of suspense is very conducive to improve your mental, physical, and emotional strength in order to better face the new times ahead. Are you stuck in one of these moments? Are you anxiously awaiting an answer? What are you doing to prepare for this new phase in your life? Think about it and tell us.